Here we are again with the kiwi lime. I feel like I need to apologize because the first video for this mead was only like 2.5 minutes long. And I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, it was so short. I did not intend for that to happen, it just did. Okay, I think this one I'd actually just taken a gravity reading on before starting this video. But I'll do it again, just in case, okay? So this is not quite 1.000. Me messing with it a little bit earlier made it start to bubble a little bit, so don't really know what's happening here, but it's fine. I mean, it is like just about 1.00. Actually, I think it is. It is 1.00. Now I realized I'm doing all three of these at the same time. They all have fruit. I am going to put as many kiwis in here as I possibly can because I only have 2 buckets. It's been 7 days. It's been a week, exactly a week. I did try a little bit of this. You can't really taste a whole lot of honey flavor or like character right now. You definitely taste lime. Okay, I have to go back upstairs for the limes, but I do have my kiwis. I did not freeze these beforehand. Do the kiwis, does it need to be frozen? I kind of feel weird. I mean, I guess you can find frozen kiwi, right? I don't know. I just decided to do it fresh instead. Bought these and I was like, I'm gonna need them in like 4 days. And then I didn't. And they've been hanging out. I think they're gonna taste fine. Let me see. Yeah, that's good. The flavor of your fruit definitely makes a difference. Maybe I should have grabbed a funnel. Oh gosh. This is being splishy. So tell me, have any of you used kiwis? When I was researching them, some people had really bad luck with kiwis. I forget what forum it was on, because I'll just like Google search, you know, kiwi mead or whatever. And generally things will pop up in various homebrew forums. And so someone had asked kiwi mead, and then someone was like, tastes like butts. And then another person was like, yep, tastes like butts. But then there was a person after that who was like, yeah, I made a kiwi mead and it was awesome. Yeah, and they didn't really say necessarily what they did to make it awesome. I really hope this turns out well. Okay, so that was a total of 2 kiwis and I'm already up into the neck. Oh man, these are some tough limes. This thing doesn't have a frickin' handle on it. This lime is like really tough. Okay, there's one more. Definitely want this to be like a kind of a tart, maybe like very refreshing drink. It will be sparkling. It doesn't need to have any like crazy depth to it or anything. Running out of space here on my cutting board. You can see the kiwis hanging out down there. I just don't know if they're enough. But I don't really feel like I have much more room, so I think I'm gonna end it here. I only put 2 kiwis in though. No, I gotta put 1 more in. That's just, I have like a whole other pound here. I'm gonna need more kiwi. Did not plan this very well now, did I? Ow. So that's kind of a happy looking mead there, isn't it? It's got a good amount of bubbles rising up. It's pretty happy looking, you know? It's like, oh yes, you feed me more, thank you. Give me the kiwi, you fool. All right, well, here is part 2, and this video is just going to continue on to the next section. This one might take a little bit longer than the other 2, simply because I don't have space for the amount of kiwis I'm gonna need. Well, this video is just going to transform into the next one. Percy, you want this? Percy, come here. I had to lure him down here because he's a daddy's boy and daddy's not home. So he like didn't want to come downstairs because he's a good boy and he will wait by the door for Louis to come home. You gonna stay here? You gonna be my brewing friend? Are you gonna be a good boy? He says, yeah, I'll be a very good boy. Are you a very good boy? Everyone loves you, you know. You have a fan base. All right, kiwis. It's kiwi time. So the kiwis, I don't know if you saw it. This is not enough kiwi, right? So I basically just run out of room. I didn't have any more buckets. So now that I've taken care of the strawberry lemon and the blueberry mint session meads, I'm gonna take care of the, I'm gonna move the kiwis into a bucket. You're a little cheese boy. Can people see you? I hope so. You're way in the corner. Percy knows, obviously sit and down, and he can kind of roll over, but he's an old man, so, and he's highly food motivated, so it's like a partial roll because he like wants to make sure you can see the treat. But it's pretty cute because if you tell him to go up, then he'll stand up on his back legs and spin around for you. It's like instead of just jumping up on his back legs, he also adds a spin for extra flair, but that's really all that he knows. You done? Ah, that's a good boy. It's all gone now. You're very good. And you had a very nice cheesy treat. All of his spitty cheesiness is not, is off my hands. Everything here is sanitized, so I'm just gonna start cutting. Oh, what the hell? This one's like really firm. The other ones weren't like some of them are really soft. Well, hopefully this is gonna be okay. There's a lot of juice in there, so that's good. I don't know, have you had kiwis? I feel like he probably has had kiwi. The only thing he won't eat is celery. What do you think? You wanna try? Yeah, mommy. You wanna eat? Here, you can have that there. Good boy. It's like a lot of work for a little bit of fruit. Oh, stinky. Take out a piece, one last piece for the good boy. It's a good boy. Okie dokie. There isn't really like a good way of doing this necessarily. Oh my goodness, I got kiwi all over this. Whoopsie. Oh my God. Oh, this is very full. Okay. Uh-oh. Oh, it's very full. There we go, there we go, there we go. Okay. Are you drooling? Oh my goodness, this just smells too good. He's drooling. Percy, oh my God. I don't think I've ever seen you drool so much. It was the anticipation of waiting for kiwis that got him going. So obviously the kiwi meat is gonna be a little bit behind the other two. Oh gosh, I guess quite a bit behind. It's gonna be behind by like an extra 2 weeks if I let it sit on this fruit for that long. Because then again, it's gonna kick back into re-fermentation with the addition of some fresh sugar. Whew, now we got a bucket of kiwi mead. Alrighty, well, I guess that's it for this video. I just had to add some more kiwis. Yeah, and then wait a little bit and bottle. Oh. It's food time. All right, well, thank you so much for watching. I hope this comes out nice. I'm tempted to try it, but I just feel like it's gonna be too light, or now it might be a little extra sweet because of the fresh kiwis. It won't be right yet, so I'm gonna wait and taste it next time. Well, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye. All right, y'all, it's kiwi time. Kiwis have been sitting here for a while. It's time for them to get taken out. So this is the case of yeast doing some weird things. It also doesn't smell great, not gonna lie. I'm gonna take a photo of this so y'all can see what I'm looking at. That is, it doesn't smell like it's gone bad. Like, yeah, the yeast has like formed at the top in this really weird. See if I can dig out some of this this kiwi. The kiwi has been in here for more than 2 weeks at this point. I need a brewer's bag is what I need. I'm not gonna be able to rack through this. I mean, I'm gonna give it a chance, you know? This might just need like extra aging time. I might need to like add tannins and stuff to it. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna rack into my lap. As usual, y'all will be proud of me. Look at this! Oh my God, it's 1 gallon size. I finally got a mini. Finally, it only took me like over a year's worth of brewing. All this work for something that might just taste like poop. Oh, Jesus. Yep, okay. That said it all right there. Yeah, it's so weird. It's like the yeast re-solidified because there's tiny little like yeast pebbles, I guess, everywhere. It started re-solidifying. I don't know. Yeah, so initially I had put it in the bucket on the 3rd of April. Today is the 22nd, so it's been in there for a while. Whoops. The last thing I had on my list for this was to add lime juice, but we'll see. I'm afraid to try this. I like don't want to. Okay. It does already have a heavy citric flavor to it though, so I don't know if I'm going to add the lime juice or not, but it is already very bitey. Because there's no roundness to them, I am going to add erythritol. I am going to add that for sweetness because I think they're all going to need it. And I'm also thinking about just throwing in a tea bag, you know what I mean? I'm gonna go grab a black tea bag and I'll be right back. Since these tea bags have this little staple in there, I'm gonna open it and just dump the tea leaves in and just let them hang out. I do not have like a fake tannin addition or anything like that to add to this to like balance or whatever. All right, y'all, next time I think I'll be bottling. All right, well, thank you so much for watching. As usual, I appreciate you and I will see you next time. Bye.